This is how to reset service reminder of Triton 2022 model Mitsubishi Triton. First is this one, ignition off, and then select this one. See this one, this select, click this one, the button, and then just click, and then you see the spanner sign, and then long press this one with blink, and then click again. See, it's all clear. 14,621 months. Okay, good, thank you. Just press and see the spanner, and then long press it, blinking, then click, only click one. That's it.